Welcome back. We are continuing our practical applications in Autodesk Inventor, and this is exercise number 3, part B. We are going to learn how to add this piece to it and create the ball, the small ball that goes inside. Okay. All right. So we were here last time. This is where we ended part A. So let's go ahead and continue with the design. All right, so what we're gonna do to do this, let's go ahead and select plane tool, and then mid-plane between two planes, this option. Select this face and shift, and then select this face. What does it do? It created a plane across through the center. This side is equal to this side. That's what it does. Now we can sketch on it. Start a 2D sketch, left click, and then start a sketch by clicking on this rectangle and plus green cross. Okay, now we can draw a sketch, we can sketch on it. If you go to the bottom left corner, we got 3 different options here. Let's select this one that says Slice Graphics, or press F7. F7 on your keyboard. It does the same thing. F7, right? Or just click on it. It does the same thing. Now we can draw on this, but it's easier to draw on it. What if I click on it again? If you want to exit it, just click on F7 again. Okay? Now what we need to do, we need to draw a circle from about here, approximately here. You know, that's about my distance is about 12.59 x, my x distance. All right, let's make the diameter of the circle 10. Make it 10. Awesome. Make it 10. All right. Now we need to draw also arc command. Arc command. Let's say this 3-point arc and go from about here to here. Fine. Here's fine. And zoom out and give this arc a distance of, give it a distance of maybe 12. Let's do 12. I mean, there it is, 12. Why not? 12 is gonna work. Okay, that looks nice. And I am going to explore a trim command again. I don't want to see this part. I'm gonna trim it. Okay, so we get rid of it. Move this out of the way. Let's move this out of the way. Can you move, buddy? You don't want to move? Sure, so stubborn. You're so stubborn. Alright, that's fine. Okay. Okay. So now let's make this one a construction line. Construction line. Left click. Let me undo that. Left click and then construction line. Okay. Left click and then right click. Sometimes I just forgot to mention those stuff. I go too fast. I was informed. I was kindly requested to not go too fast. Okay, now we can finish our sketch. That's what we need to do on this plane. Okay, that's gonna be the path that we're gonna use to create that handle. So we're about to explore sweep command. Explore. This is explore. If I can speak properly today. Alright, now what? Go back to plane 2. This time, select parallel to plane through point. Parallel to plane through point. What does that mean? It's going to create a work plane that is parallel to a selected point and a plane, another plane. Alright, so remember, in Autodesk, why are we doing that? We need to sketch on this. But good luck sketching on a cylindrical shape or sphere shape. You can't. You can only sketch on flat surfaces like here. But on a cylindrical shape like this or sphere, No, you can't sketch on it. So we're gonna take the advantage of this tool here. Select that. Your plane number one is this guy. And then we're gonna create a plane that is parallel to that and goes through this point. Voila. Voila. You see a plane? New plane now? Select it. Now create a sketch on it. Go back to Slice Graphics. Where is Slice Graphics? At the bottom. Or press F key. F7. F7. Now I'm gonna zoom in. Remember, your wheel button moves in, allows you to view. If you scroll back and forth, zoom in, zoom out. All right, zoom in till you see this point. Let's go ahead and draw a circle here. The diameter of the circle, make it 2. Make it 2. Notice it does it have to be a circle? No. All you need is a profile. You can even draw a rectangle. You can even draw and use a 3-point rectangle. I don't know. I just think a rectangle looks better. Okay. Sorry, a circle looks better. You can make any profile you want, but you're gonna sweep that profile across this line. Okay. Be creative. I just drew a circle. Maybe you want to try something different. Maybe you also even print better. Maybe next time I want to try with a rectangle. Okay. Once you get here, finish your sketch. Green check it. Green check it. Awesome. Turn this plane off. How do we do that? Select it. Uncheck visibility. Okay. Alright. Uncheck visibility. Now we can do, what can we do? Now we can sweep. Actually, maybe this is not the right choice of material. I'm gonna change it to something where we can see better. I'm gonna change it to something where we can see better. Where is red? Red, where are you? Red, there should be some red. I'm trying, light red. Alright. Red. Let me try this one. Huh? What happened? Can't change. Yo. Weird. Come on, buddy. Change. Make it bright red. I want to be bright red. Why? Okay. Now it changed. Now can I see the profile? Maybe. If you go sweep, it's there. It's there. When it was green, it was hard to see. It's here. I swear. There you go. There you go. That's it. So sweep command, launch your sweep command. Where is sweep command? So extrude, revolve, sweep. We're gonna go in order. We're gonna go from left to right most of the time. By the time you get here, you guys gonna be so rich. You're gonna be making so much money. You're gonna be experts. You're gonna be experts working for big companies. Who knows? Or maybe you're gonna have your own company. Who knows? But so the way Inventor works, the commands you see here, these are the most commonly used. Like the ones barely used are hidden most of the time. Like you're not gonna use this until like you are super advanced. That's why you don't see them often. Like out of this, by the time you get here, you're creating very interesting models. Okay. All right. Now what? Launch sweep command. Look at that. Already did it. It already did it for us. It already knew that you have one profile there. And it went ahead and swept it. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Now I can select this sweep and I'm gonna make it maybe a different color. Who knows? Maybe make it magenta. Be creative. Be creative. Done. Done. Alright. The result is done. Now we just need the part that goes inside. What command are we gonna use to do that? It is one click. One command. One command, ladies and gentlemen. We did this last year. Okay? No, I mean we did that part, something like that. All right, let me help you out. File, select new, metric, create, 2D sketch, XY plane. Why not? XY plane, circle. How big the diameter? Make it 6. Then draw another line across, maybe from here to there. Close. Make this line a center line. This, and then trim it so you have a half circle. Come on, buddy. Why? I wanna move this. But it's not moving. Why are you not moving, buddy? What do you want? All right. So we got a semicircle. Here's just this dimension. So let's just undo that. I moved it. All right. I meant to move this one. Come on, you're taking. All right. Jesus Christ. Escape. You wanna move this guy? You're gonna have to. What unforgiving. Awesome. I'm gonna leave it. Anywho, just make a half circle, semicircle, and finish your sketch. That's what we have to do. It just got stubborn. Revolve. Boom. You remember revolve? You remember la révolution? Remember la révolution française? French Revolution, Industrial Revolution. Revolve. Angle 360 degrees. You only had one profile there, so it's done. It's done for you. Change your appearance to anything you like. And we're done, ladies and gentlemen. We're done. So this part is gonna go inside. And we got our whistle. Done. Again, remember, if you want to 3D print it, go ahead and file, save as STL file in your folder. And done. If you don't want to print it, totally fine. But you need to put it in your portfolio. Go ahead and put it in your portfolio. So you should be here. If you've been keeping up with your work, you should be here. So project 1 was these 2. That was project 2. Project 3. Who knows? By the end of the year, you guys are probably gonna have 100 projects. Who knows? Who knows how far we're gonna go. You got a lot of stuff to do. But that's enough for today. Go ahead and I thought this was a good exercise to practice these commands, the practical applications of these commands. We don't use them often, like R command. We better use R command. Sweep. Hope you enjoyed sweep. Awesome, guys. That is done. That concludes exercise number 3, part B. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and yeah, let me know if you want to comment. Also, write comment somewhere in the comment section if you learned anything. If you learned a new command today, comment there. Why not? Or let me know what you'd like us to make next class time. What do you want to make? But I enjoyed this one. Print it, give it to your friend. Why not? Or keep it yourself. Already. I'll see you next time.